Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in the red pearl coat. It looks great. You got that chrome grille, the Laramie grille up front there with your chrome bumper. And you do also have your projector style headlights right there and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great. Got heated exterior mirrors there in the chrome. And you do also have your running boards along the bottom. Coming around to the back, you got a 5-foot box back here. Looks great. You do have the Laramie badging, as well as you do have your backup camera, the 4x4 badging, and you do have the dual exhaust pipes with the parking sensors. You got the cover on it as well, keeping things nice and safe, and you do have lots of room back here with the spray and box liner, so it won't be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have that guy to do our remote start and our panic button there. It does also have proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, just gotta put your hand there, it will unlock for you, plus you got the button to lock it there. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You got a bit of chrome accenting and a nice wood finish. Handle here, some storage here, and more down here. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. They look fantastic. You do have the electronic seats here, so backward, forward, tilt, lumbar support, and seat memory. And up here we got the controls over the lights, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights and in-cabin light control there. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge, engine temperature. We also have our battery and our oil life up there. In the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 5,200. That is pretty much nothing. You also have your speed, you have the temperature outside and which way we're facing, but we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well as you got your trailer tow options, your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and cruise control right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got a volume up and down, as well as a source changer, and there is a channel changer on the other side. And right here we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So you got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. You have your media tab right there if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Your controls over your heated seats, vented seats, and heated steering wheel. You also have your Uconnect apps right there. Your climate control, it is a dual climate system for your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You have your navigation here. If you hit view map, you can see we are in Wreck Place, as well as you have your phone options right there. When you're in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And down here we do have the gear shift, so you just press the brake and turn the knob there. And then you also have your 4-wheel auto, your 2-wheel, your low and lock. And then over in the climate control here, we do have the volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, temperature up and down. You do also have the power off auto and the front rear defrost. You got your trailer brake here, traction control, tow and haul mode, rear park sensors right there, heated seats, vented seats, heated steering wheel, and the same for the other side. Some storage here and a place for your phone. As well, you do have some cup holders there, armrest, doubles as a storage container, coin holders right there. You do have 2 USB and 1 aux cord plugins there. Lift this guy up, lots of room under there as well. And then you do have the top and bottom layers for your glove boxes, tons and tons of room. You do also have the control over the sunroof, the little window in the back, and the universal garage door opener. And there's our sunroof looking great. Take a look in the back here, open this guy up. On the door you have the same chrome accenting and the wood handle. Control over your window. You got some storage here, and it does look great back here. Leather, same material as the front. You also have this guy here. You can fold this down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. You do also have heated seats back here, right there. You can fold these guys up, and you got some storage underneath there. As well, you can fold this down. And you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of. As well, you can use these guys right underneath here for more storage. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around for the 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.